First gear. Second gear. Third gear. Fourth gear. So far so good. I know you can barely hear me. Let's give it a little power. Okay, didn't pop out, that's good. No pop outs. I don't know if I can do reverse holding the camera. Let's see. Reverse gear. Oh, look at that. It didn't pop out of reverse. First gear. About 15 mile an hour. It's winding out. Okay. So far so good. Sounds promising. I don't want to go too fast in my neighborhood. Let's go back to third. Alright, third gear. Let's go to fourth. Okay. Not bad, not bad. Third. Now let's try the tricky part of any IRS transmission. Third to second without grinding. Oh, it went. Yes. All right. First gear. Boy, this is the perfect transmission if you have a Baja with tall tires. I'm in third gear and it's not bucking or anything. I'm barely doing 25. Fourth gear. Alright folks, I won't do any more shaky Eddie video. Looks like it's going to work. Alright, well, as you just saw in my shaky video, I took it for a drive about a mile or so, went through all the gears, didn't pop out of gear, it went into reverse and didn't pop out of reverse, and it went from third to second without grinding. I don't know what that's like because every IRS transmission I've owned has done that. You probably remember the one that was in the Bug that did that. Let's see here. Get down on the floor. Okay. I don't know if I can't turn the light on. Anyway, yeah, so everything looks good so far. Still. So I think it's going to make it to Bug Jam. Talk to you later.